Alrighty, we're a family-owned shop in Central Coast, California, about 5 hours north from here. My name's Luz Munoz. I am the daughter of the family. This car was built here by my 3 brothers and my dad, 2 of them that way. We bought this car about a year ago. On January 29th, we were able to bring it back 12 months later, but we built it in 11, completely redone here to compete in the Roadster Show. So here we're gonna compete in the Slonaker Award. We started building her up on Wednesday, and today's the first day of the show. But we have her in this beautiful display that we tried to implement back from 1938. If you walked into the Chevrolet dealership, this is what she would look like.
That's a great idea.
So that's why the flower bed is there, the checkerboard floors are here, and all the way around we have a film strip. Maybe not all the way from the beginning, but just about the whole build of the car wrapped around. And
Is there a reason why it's a 38? Does that have a connection with you guys?
The year within itself, not necessarily. However, where we are from, it's a very agricultural heavy area. And my dad's father was an apple orchard farmer. So my dad very much saw these in action back in the day.
Yeah.
So it pays a testament to our family, where we're from, our generational roots. So debuting this car, it's gonna debut our shop as a whole. My brothers, the babies are barely gonna turn 20. So we chose this specific model not just because it's different, but it represents who we are, where we come from, and our beginnings.
So how rough was it when you got it?
It wasn't like a rust bucket per se, but it was a lot of work, And all the work was done in-house as well, in our shop back home.
You guys do upholstery too?
We bring in somebody for that, but he's a small guy that does the work in our shop still. And all the electrical and engineering was done by my uncle as well, who's sitting right over there. A lot of people ask us why we painted it black. Because for color, that's where you see most flaws, right?
Oh, yeah.
But my dad said, in our house, we don't know another color other than black, for one. But to show our true craftsmanship, that we're not afraid to show flaws because they're that good. So black's the way. And you can't go wrong with the classic red interior either.
No, red and black, can't go wrong.
So is this the first build you guys have done to this level?
No.
No?
About 2 years ago, they did a 1948, but it was for a customer. It was like oh, do this. Oh, well, might as well do that. Oh, we'll just add that on top. And it turned into a complete build. And it took 18 months because of that, but they would have done it a lot faster.
Yeah.
So we debuted that one a year or 2 ago at the Lowrider Show in LA down here as well. We wanted him to debut it here, as a matter of fact, but he wanted to bust it out at the Lowrider Show. So we did that for him, but that was an incredible car. Chromed top to bottom, every nut and bolt, everything.
Is this a replica of the engine you actually have in there?
This is the twin engine, correct?
Okay,
Yes.
so it's with the Wayne valve covers and exhaust.
Yes, sir.
That's cool. I'm glad you left it a 6-cylinder and put a LS3 in, because everybody does that. That's neat to have the
Yeah.
original engine.
It's different. One of the judges said that his vehicle that he submitted a couple years ago, very similar.
That's fabulous.
Thank you.
Wow, really.
And even these blocks, I mean, everything's custom built, but those are solid oak blocks. Because my dad wanted to connect the wood grain that's in the
Right.
dash
Yeah,
into the blocks here.
yeah.
But oak is the strongest wood that you can find to hold the car. So,
Well, it's probably fairly heavy.
oh, they're solid.
Yeah.
They're solid,
So
yeah.
those sides come down, it's just...
Yeah, so this canvas, these slide down. They'll roll out.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And we have a book on the other side that shows the literature of the display. Because a lot of people think that it's a hearse, number one,
Oh, no.
and it's not. And the other is that it's a flower car. I mean, technically, for Merkin purposes, they could have used it for whatever they wanted. But our intention with the flowers wasn't necessarily that. It was how the dealership presented the car in 1938 when you walked
exactly
in.
How the dealerships look.
Exactly.
They had chandeliers. And, I mean,
Correct.
It was quite a place to visit.
Yeah. And then a lot of people miss our banner, but that's an original banner as well. It's a high up there.
I totally missed it.
And it's original. Some people ask, oh, did you guys redo and make it look old? Nope.
That's cool.
Wow.
Ask my dad. He's the man, the myth, the legend when it comes to the parts.
Are you guys building anything now?
Right now, this was the focus. So there's no other builds. My dad has a 32 Ford that we're thinking about would be the next build. But we have a 37 Chevy as well. So it's going to be one or the other. Nothing decided, nothing super built on yet, but we kind of wanted to enjoy her.